Hey guys, welcome to this Kotlin series of tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss your abstract function in Kotlin. So let me create here one abstract. Okay, so abstract function we can create by using the abstract keyword, and with abstract class we cannot create the object for abstract class. So abstract, I'm writing class, then class name is movie. Okay, then name string comma rating integer. Okay, so this is our abstract class. In that I am going to print this movie name, println movie name is and movie rating okay. Inside I am going to create one function serial dot function. Here I am writing println this is serial fun. Okay, now below to this function I am creating one more function, abstract function demo. Here I am using a string, the string. Here there is no body. With this method body is there, but this abstract method there is no body. Okay, this is a normal function. In the function we can create a body, but abstract function we don't have body. Then we are going to create one class name is playlist. In that name, okay, and rating, and that abstract function, this movie, we are going to extend movie writing name comma rating, and here we are going to override this abstract function because this creating problem. So here click on this, implement that function. Okay, so here that function got implemented, this function. Okay, so I'm going to do this here, writing println, and the abstract function is function string is $s. Okay, and below to this function I am going to create main function. Here I am going to I am going to access this creating playlist object. So check playlist, writing the movie name and movie rating. So here I am writing the movie name, is still, rating is 8. Okay, and then with this p dot serial and p dot going to create the demo. Here I am going to enter the demo. Hello, and abstract. Let me run this function. See, the movie name is Dil, movie rating is 8. This is a serial function. This is the abstract function. Here, hello, I am abstract. The abstract function. Okay, the abstract function string is hello, I am abstract. Okay, so this is how we can work with the abstract function.